Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Spider Web Duster is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning tools you can add to your arsenal, especially when it comes to tackling those hard-to-reach cobwebs and dusty corners that traditional cleaning methods often miss, making it an indispensable gadget for maintaining a spotless home with minimal effort. Number 5. EVERSPROUT 5 to 12 feet telescoping duster. Experience superior cleaning with our hand-packaged duster. Each one is carefully prepared to ensure the bristles remain full and fluffy, ready for effective dust and web removal. Effortlessly clean even the highest spots. With an extendable pole, you can reach up to 20 feet, making it easy to clean ceilings and corners without the need for a ladder. Tackle stubborn spider webs, dust, and debris with ease. This lightweight duster with a long handle is perfect for all your indoor and outdoor cleaning needs, especially high ceilings. Enjoy easy maneuverability without sacrificing strength. Its lightweight aluminum construction makes it simple to handle, yet it's built to withstand pressure for a durable cleaning experience. Designed to get into those hard-to-reach places. It's ideal for cleaning tight ceiling corners, vents, wall edges, and even baseboards, ensuring a thorough clean everywhere. From garages to vaulted ceilings, this tool is your go-to for detailed cleaning. It's the perfect solution for removing spider webs and dust from walls and other surfaces. What we like. This duster ensures its bristles are always in top shape for maximum dust and cobweb capture. If you're looking for a tool that prioritizes bristle quality for effective cleaning, this is it. Its impressive reach makes it ideal for homes with high ceilings or large open spaces. What people say. Considerable reach, easy to adjust, works as expected. The extension features all work seamlessly. The pole is very sturdy, I have zero concerns of it failing when fully extended. Can easily reach up 2 stories without breaking a sweat. The attachment is a bit smaller than I thought it would be but does the job without a problem. Very sturdy with a bit of bendability as you reach the longer lengths. Number 4. 20-foot high reach dusting kit. Introducing our 20-foot high reach dusting kit, designed to make cleaning high and hard-to-reach places effortless. Say goodbye to precarious ladder climbs and hello to a cleaner home. This kit includes a cobweb duster, a microfiber duster, and a ceiling fan duster, all designed to tackle dust and cobwebs effectively. These attachments cover almost all your daily dusting needs. The 3-range aluminum extension pole extends up to 20 feet, allowing you to reach the highest ceilings without a ladder. Its lightweight and rust-proof design ensures durability and ease of use. The cobweb duster uses static electricity to easily capture cobwebs from corners, walls, and ceilings. Its soft bristles protect surfaces while effectively removing dust. Our microfiber duster attracts and holds dust and dirt, making cleaning efficient. Simply rinse the duster head to remove captured dust, keeping it from floating around your home. The bendable ceiling fan duster conforms to any shape, maximizing dust removal from fan blades, blinds, and other intricate surfaces. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach and bending-demanded areas. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive cleaning solution with its variety of attachments for different surfaces. If you need a versatile tool that can handle cobwebs, dust, and even delicate surfaces like fan blades, this is your best bet. The inclusion of a bendable microfiber head makes it perfect for intricate cleaning tasks. What people say. Very sturdy quality, well designed, well weighted but not heavy, easy to store and best of all, it works. The handle is really thick on this but I see why they did it, so it has to have less flex the higher you go with it. It's still usable and works well. This is the perfect tool for cleaning high and hard to reach areas. The pole is quality and easy to expand. It made quick work of cleaning return air vent in 2-story staircase. Number 3. DEEHYO Extendable Microfiber Duster 9-piece Kit. Introducing a comprehensive 9-piece dusting kit designed to tackle all your cleaning needs. It includes an extendable pole, various brush heads, and accessories to reach every corner of your home. Effortlessly clean high ceilings and hard-to-reach areas with the extendable stainless steel pole. It adjusts from 30 to 100 inches, eliminating the need for dangerous ladders or chairs. Our duster heads feature innovative split microfiber that attracts and traps dust like a magnet. They are also bendable to clean at any angle without scratching surfaces. This duster is designed for long-term use. The microfiber heads are detachable and washable, allowing you to easily clean them and prepare them for their next use. With multiple attachments including a crevice brush and cobweb duster, this kit is perfect for cleaning fans, furniture, cars, and more. It's your all-in-one solution for a dust-free home. We are committed to providing high-quality, practical, and stylish cleaning tools. Enjoy peace of mind with our 100% satisfaction guarantee on this exceptional duster. What we like. This is a fantastic all-in-one cleaning package, offering multiple attachments for almost any dusting need. If you appreciate the convenience of having all your dusting tools in one place and prefer reusable, washable components, this set is for you. It's great for those who want a complete home cleaning solution that's also easy to maintain. What people say. Perfect length of handle if you have a standard size home. The sweeper microfiber is fantastic for under the washer and dryer and fridges. The soft fuzzy ones were just the right length and held the dust pretty good. Number 2. Cobweb duster with extension pole. Tired of dust and cobwebs in hard to reach places? This lightweight yet sturdy pole and duster combo makes cleaning effortless. It's designed to handle tough jobs while remaining easy to use, quickly becoming a go-to cleaning tool. Don't let small brushes limit your cleaning. Ours features full, soft bristles to effectively tackle pesky webs and dirt in tricky areas. It's sturdy enough for tough jobs but gentle on surfaces. Avoid the dangers of using a shaky ladder. This telescopic extension pole allows you to reach high places safely from the ground. Complete your chores efficiently with your feet firmly planted. Crafted from extra thick aluminum, this pole is built to last. Unlike others that get wobbly, it remains solid and reliable even when fully extended. It features easy-to-use clasps and non-slip grips for stability. We stand by our high-reaching cleaning tools with an extended 3-year warranty. As a family business, we donate profits to help clean the homes of cancer patients. Join us in our mission to make a difference. What we like. Built with durability in mind, this duster features a robust pole designed to resist wobbling even at full extension. If you're tired of flimsy poles and need a reliable tool for tough cleaning jobs, this is the one. Its sturdy construction and generous warranty offer peace of mind for frequent or heavy-duty use. What people say. I love the expandable handle. Works great for my basement remodel project to clear out the rafters of cobwebs to paint. Very strong pole, quality constructed. Does the job, and you can buy other parts to go with this pole. This product covers a lot of area, while extended to its full capacity or extended, which is good if one has a lot of spiders' webs lying around the area, with a lot of residents in the maze of webs. In my case, I saw a lot of residents running around the webs with other friends, so I ordered this product to evict the little night crawlers from the area. It worked well, and it was easy to clean after the event. Number 1. CALBEAU Ceiling Fan Cleaner Duster Kit. Introducing a comprehensive dusting tool set designed to make household cleaning effortless. It includes everything you need, from ceiling fan dusters to specialized brushes, all with an extendable pole for those hard-to-reach spots. Tackle dusty ceiling fan blades with ease using our specialized duster. This tool, along with an extension pole, can also reach high corners to clear away cobwebs, ensuring your home remains spotless. Tired of precarious ladder climbs? Our extendable pole, adjustable from 14 to 60 inches, allows you to clean high ceilings and the tops of furniture comfortably. It makes cleaning previously inaccessible areas a breeze. This 13-piece duster set is your solution for those difficult corners and stubborn grime. It's perfect for dusting fans, removing spider webs, and cleaning blinds, offering versatile cleaning for your entire home. Keep your home sparkling with this versatile duster kit, ideal for daily cleaning tasks. A few simple swipes are all it takes to remove dirt, making it a practical and thoughtful gift for anyone. This kit includes a ceiling fan duster, spider web brush, computer cleaner, blind duster, gap cleaning brush, sponge cleaner, gloves, cleaning cloth, and a storage bag. Everything you need is neatly organized and ready to use. What we like. This comprehensive kit is designed to make household dusting effortless, especially in hard-to-reach areas. If you're looking for a complete set that includes specialized tools for fans, blinds, and tight corners, along with convenient storage, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for families who want to keep their entire home spotless with minimal hassle. What people say. The 60-inch extension pole gives me plenty of reach, so I don't have to climb on a chair or ladder anymore. The duster head grabs dust really well and doesn't just push it around. It comes with a storage bag and can be used for more than just fans. It works great on light fixtures and corners too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.